Hello and welcome to this quick tutorial. Today we're going to walk you through how to allow site access to the microphone in the Brave browser on mobile. If you're having trouble with websites not detecting your mic, don't worry. We'll fix that in just a few simple steps. Open the Brave browser on your mobile device. Next, tap the three dots located in the bottom right corner of the screen to open the menu. From the menu, scroll down and select Settings. After that, tap on Site Settings. This is where you control what sites can access. Now, select Microphone from the list of options. Finally, toggle the microphone access to On. This will allow websites to request and use your microphone when needed. And that's it. You've successfully enabled microphone access for sites in the Brave mobile browser. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and check out our other tech tips.